working with Daedalus 3D Engine and have DAL scene files. These contain 3D scene data for the Daedalus game development engine. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and work with these Daedalus 3D scene files. To quickly determine if the DAL file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust, universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried and true software here and later on. A DAL file contains 3D scene data for the Daedalus game engine, famously used in the Gothic series of role-playing games. Users, particularly modders, interact with these files to view, edit, or create new game levels, objects, and environments, making it a key format for the game's modding community. This is a proprietary binary format designed to efficiently store 3D geometry, textures, lighting information, and object placement data. The binary structure allows for fast loading times within the game engine, which is critical for rendering large, complex game worlds without significant performance overhead. For comprehensive file management, DAL relies on Gothic MOD development kit, developed by Piranha Bytes. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows cannot interpret animation, shader, or resource data, so proper handling demands dedicated utilities. Open the menu by right-clicking your DAL file and choosing Open With. Try Gothic Mod Development Kit first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. The stubbornness of this DAL file requires decisive action. Run these specific tests right now to determine the exact failure point. First, opening in Daedalus Editor. Install the Daedalus engine development tools if available from the engine's official source. Launch the scene editor and use File then Open to load the DAL file. The editor displays the 3D scene with all objects ready for inspection, modification, and testing through the integrated engine preview functionality. Next, examining scene structure. Open DAL files in a hex editor or text editor depending on whether the format is binary or text-based. Some game engines use readable formats, while others use binary for performance. Examine the structure to understand scene composition and identify any embedded references to external 3D models and texture files. Finally, migrating to modern engines. For long-term game development, consider migrating Daedalus scenes to actively maintained engines like Unity Unreal Engine or Godot. Manually recreate scenes in the target engine, importing 3D assets, and recreating object placements, lighting, and behaviors. Modern engines provide superior tooling and broader platform support. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.